Narration: everyone tells you Jira is the industry standard. But for most agile teams, it's actually a productivity killer. Look, you didn't hire your developers to spend 4 hours a day managing tickets. You hired them to write code. When your project management tool requires a full-time administrator just to keep it running, it's no longer a tool. It's a bottleneck. I've spent years auditing workflows for high-growth SaaS teams and scaling software operations. I've seen the same pattern everywhere. Teams spending more time configuring their software than actually shipping features. Today, we're settling the Agile showdown. We are breaking down exactly where Jira fails, why Asana is often the secret weapon for cross-functional coordination, and when Trello is actually the superior choice for lean dev cycles. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool will remove the friction from your sprint and get your team back to doing what they do best: building. Let's dive in. Look, Jira is the industry standard. That's what the big corporations tell you. But for a fast-moving dev team, it's often a nightmare. You know the feeling. You just want to log a quick bug. One simple task. But suddenly, you are staring at 15 mandatory fields. Drop-downs within drop-downs. You spend 20 minutes configuring a ticket that takes 10 minutes to actually fix. That's the Jira tax. It's the invisible friction that kills your momentum. Your developers aren't coding anymore. They're playing project management simulator. And the UI? It's a relic. It's cluttered. It's overwhelming. When a tool becomes this complex, your team starts avoiding it. They start using Slack threads or random Notion pages just to get things done because Jira is simply too much. Now your single source of truth is actually a fragmented mess. You are paying for a powerhouse tool, but you're getting a bottleneck. Your team's velocity isn't dropping because of the code base. It's dropping because your tooling is actively fighting you. You are not managing a project. You are managing a piece of software that was designed for a company with 10,000 employees. Not a lean, agile team. Now, if you are tired of fighting your tools instead of shipping code, you need a leaner alternative. I've spent months testing these against actual dev sprints. For high-level planning and coordination, Asana is a powerhouse. It removes the friction Jira creates. If your team prefers visual simplicity, Trello is still the king of Kanban. And for those who want everything, docs, tasks, and goals, in one place, ClickUp or Monday.com are the way to go. The result? Teams switching from Jira usually see a massive jump in velocity because they spend less time managing the tool and more time writing code. Stop letting a bloated system kill your momentum. I've put the best deals and trial links for Asana, Trello, and ClickUp in the description below. Click those links, pick the one that fits your workflow, and get your productivity back. Closing curly bracket.